So let's give them a read. Let's give the formal one. Dear Mr. McCluskey, or Dear Hugh, thank you for your email. Thank you for your email of the document you sent. I am writing in connection with the building plans document. Hello everyone, my name is Carol and I will be teaching you all business correspondence today for You Learn Academy. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe to our Facebook page and to our YouTube channel. We will give you the link. Okay, so today we are going to be work bottom. Sorry guys, sometimes technology takes us to the wrong pages. So we will be going to page 4. It's called the basics, all right? So on this side we have our context, and on this side we have what language we will be using. All right. So in context, we have name. This is the name of the person we are going to be writing to. Okay. Previous contact, reason for writing, giving information, attachments, asking for information, requests, promising action, offering help, final comments, and our closing statement. So on this side, we have our formal way of speech, right? And on this side, we have our informal way of speech. So when we are writing a formal email, all right, we start with the name. Let's do formal. I will write for you the informal versus the informal, okay? So we will start with the name. As it says over here, Dear Mr. Mr. is a man. Miss is someone is a woman who's not married. And Mrs. is a woman who is married, all right? So we start off our formal. So this is professional, all right? People we want to be formal with, professional with, our boss, some work colleagues. This is how we type them. So we will start with Dear, let's say it's a man, Mr., and then we put his surname. All right, so my surname is McCluskey. So let's just say, Dear Mr. McCluskey. Okay, so that's my dad. Or let's say it's our boss. Let's say this is our boss. All right, that's our first and last name. Or you say, Dear, and then they put their first name there, Peter. Okay, so let's say Dear Hugh. That is for formal. Okay, this is professional. For informal, we say hi or hello, Peter. We say their first name. So informal is hello, hello Hugh. All right. And then we go to the next part. So that's our greeting. Okay, that's how we start off our email. And then we leave 2 spaces. So we go 1, 2, okay? And then we carry on writing. Previous contact. Previous contact means if you had been in contact with them before. Have you spoken to them or emailed them before now? Right, so for formal letter, thank you for your email of whatever it was. So let's say the situation was for a document that is required. So thank you for your email of the document you sent, okay? Or you can say further to your last email. That means that you want to add on from the last email that they sent you, okay? I apologize for not getting in contact. So you can say, I apologize for not getting in contact with you. Before now, I have been busy. Okay, but let's just, for the sake of the email, say, thank you for the email, for your email of the document you sent. So this is actually formal. So please excuse my dogs in the background. So that's formal. Informal will be thanks for your email. Okay, just thanks for your email. Or sorry, this is informal now. Sorry, I haven't written for ages, but I've been really busy. Okay, that can actually be formal or informal. All right. All right, so there's different things you can say. It just depends. Maybe they sent you an email before. Okay, so let's carry on. Let's go back. All right. The reason for writing. Why are you writing the email? Okay. Thank you for the email of the document you sent. I am writing in connection with. I am writing in connection with, let's say, the building plans. Okay, plans document. Okay, I'm writing in connection with the buildings plan document. So why are you writing? Are you writing because you want to ask them something, because of a document you sent? Okay, so why are you writing? All right. Or you can say, I'm writing with regards to. I'm writing with regards to the document of the building plans, right? In reply to your email, here are the documents you require. Okay, so here are the documents you require. Maybe you're sending documents. Maybe that's the reason why you are writing, okay? Your name was given to me by. Maybe you're writing to them because someone told you about them, okay? Maybe John, one of your work colleagues said, please get in contact with you, all right? Or we would like to point out that you have not gotten back to us about the document we sent, right? All right, so thanks for the email. Now we're doing, previous contact. Sorry, just going to so now coming here for the informal, just a short note, or I'm writing about, or here's the whatever you wanted. I got your name from, please note that. Okay, so I'm writing about the document that was sent to me. Okay, so this one is I'm writing in connection with. This one is I'm writing about the document that was sent to, me, okay? So they're a bit different. All right, so that's your reason for writing, why you're writing. The next one is giving information. You want to give information about this document, okay? So I'm writing to let you know that. So let's say, okay, you already said something along that. We are able to confirm that. I am delighted to tell you that. We regret to inform you that. Let's say I am delighted to inform you that. What about the document? That we will be going forward with the plans in the document that you sent. Okay, and informal, just a note to say, we can confirm that. Good news, unfortunately. So you can say good news. I'm not using all of them. I'm just, so we're over there. Good news. Good news. All right. We will be using the plans you sent in the document. All right. So very different. I'm delighted to inform you we will be going forward. It's much more professional. All right, formal. This one, good news. We will be using the plans, okay? Okay, so this is if he's a friend or a well-known work colleague, let's say. Let's say this is a boss from another company. All right. All right, attachments. Okay, so an attachment is anything that you have to put into the email. Maybe a document you have to attach to the email. Maybe you have to attach a picture. So it'll say, please find attached my report, or I'm sending you a document as a PDF file. A PDF file is a little file that you send over the computer in the email, all right? So you can say, please find attached or the signed document as requested, all right? Whereas the informal, I've attached. I've attached the signed document, all right? Or here is the signed document you wanted, all right? Okay, let's go down. All right, so back to formal. So here after attachments is asking for information. Could you give me some information about? I would like to know. I'm interested in receiving or finding out. Let's do I'm interested. I'm interested in, where is it? I'm interested in receiving more plans going forward. All right, I'm interested in receiving more plans going forward, like was sent in the document. All right, whereas an informal, can you tell me a little more about, or I'd like to know, or please send me. So I'd like to know if I could receive more plans in future. All right, it's going to extend this. Just so that you could see. Sorry, I'm just trying to fit it all on this page. All right, so that was. All right, so requests. Now, if you want to make a request, so you want to ask for something, okay? You want to ask for something. So you could just say thanks. Let's say, I'd be grateful if you could. I wonder if you could. Do you think I could have? Thanks in advance for your help in this matter. Thanks for your help in advance. That means beforehand. In advance for your help in this matter. Whereas over here in the informal, we could say, I'd appreciate your help on this. I'd appreciate your help on this. Okay. Then next, promising action for formal. I'll investigate the matter. I will what to do with the document. I will contact you again shortly. So you can say, I will be in contact with regards to future plans. Okay. For informal, I'll look into it. I'll get back to you soon. So I'll, instead of saying I will, I'll check in for any future plans. Do you see how they're different, but still similar? Okay, then offering help. Would you like me to? If you wish, I'd be happy to. Let me know whether you would like me to. So let me know whether you would like me to send more information on my side for better plans. Okay. Do you want me to is informal. Shall I? Let me know if you'd like me to. Okay, so let's say Do you want me to send any more information with regards to plans? All right. And then the final comments. Thank you for your help. Do not hesitate to contact us again if you require any further information. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions. My direct line is. So please feel free to contact me if you have any further questions. Okay. You can put your phone number if you want. And on the informal, you can just say thanks again. Let me know if you need anything. All right, so similar but different. Let me just go down a bit. And then your closing statements. I'm looking forward to, give my regards to, best wishes or best regards. So over here, now you press a double space and you say regards. You can pick anyone. Regards, Carol. All right. And for informal, you look and you say looking forward to, best wishes to, speak to, see you soon. Bye for now, all the best. So let's just say all the best, Carol. You see how the name goes below in both of them. Okay, so in both of them. So let's go up to the top. All right, so that's the closing statement. So let's go. At first, we start for formal and informal with the name. All right, with the name. So dear Mr., Mrs., or Miss. Okay, Mr., man, Miss is a woman that's not married, and Mrs. is a woman that is married. Or you can say dear and first name. Okay, for informal, you put hello or hi and the first name. All right. All right, so let's just give it a read. Previous contact. So thank you for your email of the document you sent. For informal, thanks for your email. Okay, short and sweet. All right, reason for writing. Reason for writing. I am writing in connection with the building plans document. This one, I'm writing about the document that was sent to me. All right. Giving information. I am writing in connection with the building. Sorry, not that one. I am delighted to inform you that we will be going forward with the plans in the document that you have sent. All right. This one is good news, more friendly. We will be using the plans you sent in the document. All right. That's information. And then attachments. What are you attaching to this? Please find attached the signed document as requested. All right, this one is I've attached the signed document. See, it's much more short and sweet. And then it's asking for information. I'm interested in receiving more plans going forward, like was sent in the document. All right, so, and then informal, I'd like to know if I could receive more plans in future. All right, and then requests, make a request. You asking for something, right? Where is that one? Interested in receiving more plans. I'm interested in receiving more plans going forward, like this said to me. And then thanks for your help in advance. Sorry, I didn't mean to say for your help again. Thanks for your help in advance for this matter. Okay, for this matter. This one is, I'd appreciate your help on this. All right, so that's a request. Promising action. So make a promise. I will be in contact with regards to future plans, okay? This one is, I'll check in for any future plans. That's a promising action. Then offering help. Let me know whether you would like me to send more information on my side for better plans. This one, do you want me to send any more information with regards to plans? All right, and then your final comment would be, please feel free to contact me if you have any further questions, or informal, thanks again, let me know if you need anything. And then your closing statement, just to say goodbye. For formal, remember you can use any of these. For formal, regards, Carol, or all the best. For informal, Carol. All right. So let's give them a read. Let's give the formal one. Dear Mr. McCluskey, or Dear Hugh, thank you for your email. Thank you for your email of the document you sent. I am writing in connection with the building plans document. I am delighted to inform you that we will be going forward with the plans in the document that you sent. Please find attached the signed document as requested. I'm interested in receiving more plans going forward like this, like was sent in the document. Thanks for your help in advance for this matter. I will be in contact with regards to future plans. Let me know whether you would like me to send more information on my site for better plans. Please feel free to contact me if you have any further questions. Regards, Carol. And then the informal. Hello, Hugh. Thanks for your email. I'm writing about the document that was sent to me. Good news. We will be using the plans you sent in the document. I've attached the signed document. I'd like to know if you could receive more plans in future. I'd appreciate your help on this. I'll check in for any future plans. Do you want me to send any more information with regards to plans? Thanks again. Let me know if you need anything. All the best, Carol. Okay, so that is how to write a formal and an informal email. So if you guys are looking to send an email, that is what you would do. Okay. Later on, we will be going over a few other things. All right, like negotiating. If you don't know what that means, you will. All right, thanks so much, everyone. Again, please don't forget to go visit and subscribe to our YouTube channels and our Facebook pages for You Learn. Okay, thanks so much, everyone. Goodbye.